3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the Ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampulisali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the Ringer.
Swinging guys, it's Carlo in here. Today we're going to see what's happening over at ASDA because there's a fire alarm going on at ASDA and there's a fire engine just turned off. I do not know what's happening, but this is, I actually want to know what's going on exactly over there. Don't know if it's an actual fire or not. It is quite loud because we could hear it all the way from Argos right here. There's a lot of people outside the store, so don't know if it's I don't know what's going on, but it just randomly started going off 2 minutes ago. After I was about to go with my dad, I heard this going off, but there is actually, let's see, don't see any smoke coming from anywhere, so don't know if it's actually a real fire up there or not. Don't know exactly if it's an let's quickly go. Let's not go white. What, Dad? Let's not go white there. But let's just, yeah, there's loads of ASDA people evacuated as well, so it actually might be a real fire at ASDA's Barrow. ASDA's in Barrow in Furness, Cumbria. I actually really I hope it's not a real fire, guys. I know, and that's why I hope it's not. I always get pizza from here on Mondays, so I'm just hoping it's not real. Yeah, there's more people leaving the store now, so I actually think it might be a real fire right now, because there is a fire engine just come from over there here. I actually don't know if it's, I don't know if they've actually got a fire there or not. Can't see any smoke coming from anywhere inside, so I don't think it is. It could either be there's been smoke from some cooking that set it off, or it could be, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's, or someone could have pulled the alarm from up there. What, Dad? What did you say, Dad? What? Oh. Yeah, all that. I'm actually wondering what. Yeah, it looks serious, this, guys. Didn't plan to get any Kyle the Ringer videos up here, but it just randomly set off, so hopefully it's not a real fire and everyone's alright over there. Yeah, I don't know what's caused it to go off. I don't know what's caused it to go off, but everyone's evacuating. I can't see any actual smoke, Dad, so I don't know if it's a real fire or not. And don't know if it's a real fire, guys, so unless there's some about it on the news online, or anyone knows what's happened and I get told what's happened, I can't let you know if it was a real one or not. But I'm actually a bit worried for everyone in there now. Hope there's no one else left in the store, cause this is starting to look serious. Yeah, I don't know. I'm wondering what's caused it to go off. It could have either been someone pulled the cold point, or smoke from the cafe, or the pizza that has set it off, or what, Dad? Alright. Alright, I have my phone, so could you just I don't really want to go until the alarm's stopped going off, guys. Never expected to get a vid off a fire alarm going off today. Can't tell what exact type of snow climber fire alarm it is. It sounds like a whole cheeky, like it has at my school, but I'm not really sure exactly what type it is, but I am actually hoping everyone's alright in there. What, Dad? Alright, it's stopped going off now. So let's see exact. Let's see then, did it? Let's see then, has it? Let's see what goes on right now, and if everything's yeah, everyone's being let back in now, so I guess it wasn't a real fire then, so it might have either been just a test or something else. But I'm gonna end the vid now, guys, but I'm glad it wasn't a real fire, hopefully, and everyone was fine. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.